Hello guys, I have received this L-Lysine supplement for cats for the evaluation purposes and I would love to share my personal opinion. So, this supplement provides a great antibiotic effect. It can help with the immune system as well as respiratory and eye as well as nutrient absorption. And there are 60 milliliters. It comes in a pack of 2. So you will find the directions of how to use this product based on the weight of your cat, and it is made with such ingredients like L-Lysine, Thiamine, Riboflavin, Niacin and others that will definitely help your cat. And it comes in this convenient like droplet application form. So you can mix it with the food, give it orally, mix it with the water. So let's go ahead, mix it with the food and we'll see how they eat it.